Taurus, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At titignan natin kung ano yung blessings na parating sa inyo in the next 30 days from the time na mapanood nyo ang reading na to. This is a timeless reading. Anytime na mapanood nyo to, as long as makaka-resonate kayo, this reading is for you. And another reminder, I will not message you or follow you to offer services. Beware of fake accounts and scammers. So kung gusto nyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mysticqueenph.com. You don't have to message me, okay? Just go to the website. O kaya naman, dumiretso ka dun sa booking page ko, booking calendar. Link on the description or comment section. Okay? So, let's see, Taurus, ano yung blessings next 30 days? For Taurus, ano yung blessings next 30 days? You have the High Priestess. Alam nyo, kung meron kayo ngayong project, let's say sa business, sa trabaho ninyo, mas makakabuti na hindi nyo muna to ipagsasabi sa iba. Like, keep it, low-key. Parang ganon. Yeah, kasi I see here na there's a possibility na merong some issues around the family na pwedeng, alam nyo na, merong mga hindi gusto yung nangyayari sa buhay mo. But I also see here na merong release or letting go of, can be a family member or close to you na malalaman mo na meron palang hindi magandang intentions towards you. And you will easily overcome that problem or that issue. With the Four of Swords, I also see here na meron namang healing from anything na challenging na may experience nyo sa family. Unexpected kasi to. You have the Five of Pentacles. Merong revelation. I see a revelation here regarding sa pera, regarding sa resources na pwedeng hindi sa'yo sinasabi yung totoo. So, blessing siya kasi at least malalaman mo na yung totoo. Kung merong mga taong nagtatago sa'yo ng mga impormasyon na kailangan mong malaman, na deserve mong malaman, related sa money, resources. So, it will be revealed to you soon. You also have the Page of Cups. O, diba? May Seven of Swords talaga. So, kumbaga, at least you will know, malalaman mo kung sino yung mga taong dapat mong pagkatiwalaan. Lalo na sa pera, sa resources. Someone here can be very competitive kasi sa'yo. Can be a family member na tipong ayaw maungusan. Or relative, no? Pwedeng relative. Yeah. You have Temperance here. So, this is about healing and doing things in moderation. Pwede rin may kinalaman to sa inyong kalusugan, no? If there is something na kailangan mong ayusin sa health mo in the next 30 days, malalaman mo to agad. Kumbaga, ma-detect agad, parang ganon. So, for example, merong kang kailangan malaman related sa kalusugan mo na kung hindi na-detect yon, pwedeng lumala. So, that's also a blessing for you. Okay? Excuse me. So, merong healing dito. Accept the inevitable. So, meron talagang i-let go. Let go of the past and welcome a rebirth to begin. So, merong new beginnings for you. Some of you here, may kinalaman sa work. Meron kasing pwedeng hindi, sa trabaho na yung intentions towards you, very competitive sa'yo, hindi siya nagpapakatotoo sa'yo. Like, parang, meron siyang ibang intention na gusto niya mas maangatan mo siya, kanya. Oo, kasi mas naangatan mo nga siya eh. So, be careful with that. The choice is clear for you now. Follow the wisdom and truth you feel in your heart. Yeah. So, you will follow your truth. Yung katotohanan. So, magpapakatotoo ka sa iyong sarili. Being authentic. Yung wisdom mo. So, I think itong experience na to, mas lalo kang patatatagin. Like, parang meron kang awakening. Can be spiritual awakening or just personal awakening about kung ano talaga yung totoo. Change your tune. Ayan. So, some of you, meron kayong mga pagbabagong gagawin. This can be change ng direction, change ng strategy, or change ng perspective and mindset na eventually will lead you to the blessings na dinideserve mo. Okay? So, that is your reading, Taurus. Thank you so much. See you again.